This influencer just posted a skincare review, an unboxing, a gym fit check, rooftop drinks at sunset, she cooks, she reads, she travels. But here's the twist, she's not real. Neither is this person or that one or these ones. And yet, AI influencers just like her are earning real money. Lil Michaela charges $10,000 per post and has worked with Prada and Calvin Klein. The agency that made her was valued at $125 million. Lou DiMaggio, this other creator, earns $34,000 per sponsored post, and the AI influencer market is projected to hit $46 billion by 2030. Now, if you think about it, is it really that surprising? There are fictional characters out there with more fame and high valuations than most living people. Think of like Mickey Mouse, for example. The difference now is with AI, anyone, even you, can create your own. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to build an AI system that creates content for your own virtual influencer. All you need to do is give it a photo of your character, pick a product, and the system generates images and videos all automatically. And the best part about this is we're using no-code tools, so anyone can learn this. If you watch till the end, you'll walk away with a full blueprint to run your own AI influencer on autopilot, and let's get started. This is Aitana Lopez, and she's not real, she's an AI influencer, and she's making more than real influencers out there. Pulling in over $10,000 a month, and she's done deals with Razer, Samsung, Prada, and there are so many other AI influencers out there that have been popping up. The crazy part is all of this content right here, all of these videos, these images, they're all AI generated, and you can do this yourself. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you with this one N8N workflow that I built for you. But here's the real play. You don't need to be an influencer. You just need to create your own AI influencer. You sell this as a service. A brand comes to you, you set up their AI creator, and you charge them $2,000 to $5,000 a month just to keep it up and running. One workflow, unlimited content, and you can run this for 10 people at the same time. Or the other option is you can build your own AI influencer, grow the account, and then get brand deals from other people. Either way, it's a win-win in both scenarios because money is always out there and people are always looking for stuff. Okay, so now we're here inside of the N8N workflow. So I know it may look like a lot, but it's really simple. I'm gonna break it down for you guys. So first we have here a form node. So I'm just gonna click on execute step and I'll show you exactly how this entire workflow gets triggered. So it opens this form right here. You've got a character image URL, a setting image URL, a item image URL. Then you select an amount of images that you want generated, how many videos you want generated. Then you give it a creative direction. So for example, outfit, setting, mood, actions, dialogue, brand mentions, whatever it is, a creative direction. Then you select an aspect ratio and then the character brief. So a bit about the character itself. Once you have done that, the workflow will get activated and it will have all of that knowledge. So then all of that knowledge gets sent into an AI agent. So this is the AI agent right here. It's basically gotten all of that information from the form right here. You can see this is a dynamic value, by the way. So it's always changing and it's getting its information from the form. So you can see all of these say form inside of it. So number of image posts, number of video posts, creative direction, all of this type of stuff. And then we have the system message right here. So I'm using the agent framework. It is one of the best frameworks out there. I talk a lot about it inside my school community, but it's basically what it is. So it's ask, guidelines, examples, notion, and tools. When you're following the agent framework, this is what makes the output really good and not just some AI slop. Okay, so now after the AI agent, it outputs a image and video prompt, and we go over to image generation now. So we're using NanoBanana Pro to create the image. So it creates the character. So NanoBanana will take your character image and your product image and it will create a really professional and really high quality photo for you. And we're using KeyAI's API for this. It's a massive model market out there where you've got access to like Sora, Kling, NanoBanana, a bunch of models out there. And this is what the JSON is looking like. We're using NanoBanana Pro. Aspect ratio, resolution, output format. And then after that, we've got a wait node for 45 seconds, and then we've got a whole polling system here. So it checks to see if the image has been made. If it has been made, it continues. If it hasn't, then it'll continue polling. And then once the image has been made, it gets sent to a Telegram, it gets logged. And then we're now onto video generation. So we're using Kling 2.6 because it takes that photo from NanoBanana and puts it into action. Kling makes it natural, human-like, and the lip sync audio is so good for it. So we're using KeyAI again for the API, and this is what the JSON looks like. And then there's a whole nother polling system. So this wait node is 2 minutes. It checks the video and basically the same thing as before. And then once the video has been made, it gets sent to your Telegram, and then that's the whole workflow done right there. Here's what comes out on the other end. This is Sophia, and she was fully generated from this N8N workflow. To set this up yourself, you need 4 things. So the first thing is a N8N instance, a cloud, or a self-hosted version. This is where the workflow is going to be running on and the entire backend for it. The second thing is an OpenAI API key for GPT 4.1. The third thing, and I highly recommend it, is a Key AI account. So you can just put $5 worth of credits in there and you can use any model out there. And the fourth thing is a Telegram bot, so you can receive messages for it. It's completely free to set up a bot. In my previous video, I walked through how to do it. Now, if you want help setting this up, the full prompts that I use for the AI agent, the templates that I use, and a community of people all building similar things, join my school community. It is down below in the description, and I want you to drop a comment on what AI influencer you are making. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I love making these videos and I just want to provide good content for you guys. Please leave a like and a comment and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.